In this video, we are trying to understand the math library. So math library is an inbuilt library of a Python, and we can do a lot of mathematical operation directly using math library. So first we need to import the math, and that is basically called the math library, and this help us to do a lot of mathematical operation directly using math library. Suppose you want to find the absolute value of that, two values, positive absolute value positive, negative absolute value negative, positive. Now what is the meaning of cell? So this 35.74 is basically in between two numbers. Is in between 35 and basically 36. Okay. So the 36 is basically called as a seal of that, and the 35 is basically called as a floor of that. Great. So when somebody asks you what is the floor of 35.74, you will answer 35. And what is the seal? You will answer 36. Even if I write 35.224, still the floor is 35 and the seal is 36. It is not rounding off operation. Okay. So in negative, if I write minus, if I write minus 35.74, so what is the biggest value in this? What is the biggest value? So let's run this. What is the seal of that? Okay, this is going to give an error first out to us. So let me just give here command. Okay, what is the seal value for that? So the seal value is 35. It's the biggest value in this. Okay, seal is 35 minus 35. Sorry, minus 35. And if I check a floor for that, so this is coming to be floor is minus 36. Yes, I hope this is very much clear to you. Great. So now the floor and seal concept we can go ahead with this. So floor of now this is 16 for sure, and floor of this will be minus 17. If you want to find e raised to value exponential raised to 1, then you can go for e math.e. You can even find out e raised to 7. You can find out the square root directly. SQRT function is available in the math. You can find out the natural log. You can find out the log to the base 10. You can find out the max value, mean value out of that. This is an inbuilt function. You can do a rounding operation. So if I take it here 5, this is going to be 17.47. You can even separate this fractional value and the integer value from this. So there is some glitch in this function because you can see the fraction number which is coming up is this way. You can even find out the power of that 4 raised to 2. You can even find out, apply the Pythagoras theorem. This is root of 3 square plus 4 square. You can find out the value of pi, that is 3.14. Math.pi is 3.14. You can convert the value in the radian. This is a radian value into degree. So same value I am putting here, and this is a degree value which I am converting into radian. I can find out the factorial of that. So all required mathematical functions which are directly available in the math libraries covered in this tutorial. I hope you have understood this. Stay tuned. Thank you very much.